This is a 2014 Massey Ferguson 7616. It's 160 horsepower with a 50k semi-power shift Dyna 6 gearbox. It's equipped with a Massey 975 front loader on a Euro headstock with manual locking and one front auxiliary. Bits of paint coming off very minorly around the headstock, which is as to be expected. Beams in good condition, rams aren't leaking, there's no dents or any major scratches on the paintwork. It's on a suspended front axle, and there is a weight rack on the front which will take wafer weights, not the monoblock. Pivoting front mudguards, left end mudguards in good condition, very minor scratches. Front left tyre is on a fixed rim, it's a BKT 420/85 R28. Tyres in really good condition, hardly any scratches, very minor ones on the tread. It's got about 80% tread remaining. Cab glass in good condition, halogen front work lights, twin beacon, it's diesel and AdBlue. Bits of paint coming off the steps, which is to be expected. Toolbox and all its contents are intact. Back left mudguard in good condition. Very minor scratches in the paintwork. Fixed rear axle, and this back left tyre is a BKT 520/85 R38. Again in good condition, very minor scratches on the tread. About 70% tread remaining. You've got external linkage control on the left-hand mudguard and external PTO control as well, and then just external linkage on the right-hand mudguard. Halogen rear work lights, Cat 3 rear linkage, it's in good condition, just paint coming off in places. Link arm stays haven't been bent either side. It's on a suspended cab. Pickup hook had a bit of wear. It's got 3 rear spools, hydraulic trailer brakes, right hand rear fenders in good condition. Rear right tyres are BKT 520/85 R38, again in really good condition. No cuts or bulges. Right hand side step in good condition, haven't been bent. And there is a opening right hand side door. Mirror glass in good condition. The exhaust stack, some minor rust coming through at the base. Hasn't been dented or scratched. Just the attachments to the loader. Right hand side mudguards in good condition. And the front right tyres are BKT 420/85 R28 with no large cuts or bulges. Again about 70% tread remaining. So in the cab of this 7616, the trim and the line has been kept in pretty good condition. Very minor cuts and scratches in places. We just haven't had a chance to validate it yet as it's only just come in. Got the 1000 PTO tub, 2 spare number plates, passenger seats in good condition, just needs a clean. The driver's seat is a Grammer Evolution Air suspended seat, which is in good condition, has had this cover on, and the seat is in good condition underneath. Headliner is in good condition, minor stains in places which look like they'll clean out. We've got 2 electronic and 1 mechanical spool, 1000 and 540 PTO. There is air conditioning, but it's not climate control, and a Bluetooth radio. Starts and runs really well. So this tractor's done 6,770 hours and is currently in stock at our site in Littleport, and if you'd like any more information or you'd like to come and have a look at it, please get in contact with us at Thurlow Nunn Standen.